Hi children, 5th class maths, page number 59, page number 59. International place value chart. International place value chart. Here. Generally, we follow two types of numbering systems. We follow two types of numbering systems. First one is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. The system of numbering we have studied so far is called Indian system of numeration. This system is used in India only. In India, we follow the number names as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores only. Again I am telling, in India we follow the number names as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay. Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. value chart. Period. This is ones period, thousands, lakhs, crores. Place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now here ones place means 1. One. Tens means 10. Hundreds, 100. Thousands, 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores, crores. Ten crores. Ten crores. Okay. Okay. Now here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now here 1. Here 1. Next one here 10 power 1. Why? Because here how many zeros are there? Just only 1 0. Okay, so we can write 10 power 1. Next 100. How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 10 power 2. 10 power 2. Next one here 10 power 3. 10 power 3. Because here 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros are there. Next one 10 power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power 4. Next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 power 6. Next one 1, 2, 3, 7. 10 power 7. 10 power 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 power 8. This is Indian place value chart. So 10 crores is equal to how many zeros? 8 zeros. 1 crore is equal to 7 zeros. 1 crore is equal to 7 zeros. Okay. This is Indian place value chart. Periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Place are ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones period. Next one, thousands period, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, crores period, crores and 10 crores. So this is power. Here 1, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 10 power 7 and 10 power 8. 10 power 8. This is Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Next one, international system of numeration. International system of numeration. International place value chart. International place value chart. See, in Indian system, the placement of commas are after the first 3 digits from the right and then after every 2 digits. Okay, very very important. This is, listen careful all of you. In our Indian system, we follow the number names as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, so in Indian system, the placement of commas, we are using commas. First comma is we will use after 3 digits starting from right side. Next comma after 2 digits. That means totally after 5 digits. Okay. That means first comma we are using after 3 digits means ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds after hundreds. Next one. Next comma after 2 digits means totally after 5 digits. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. That means after 10,000s. After 10,000s. After next comma after 2 digits. That means after total 7 digits. After 7 digits. Okay. So for example, I will explain this careful all of you. This is the number. This is the number. Okay. We use the commas after first 3 digits. After 3 digits, that means 1, 2, 3. That means ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. After 3 digits. That means after 100 place. After 100 place. Next comma after 2 digits. After 2 digits. That means after 2 digits means total 5 digits. After 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after 5 digits. After 5 digits. The next comma we will use after 7 digits. That means first comma only after 3 digits. Remaining commas we are using after 2 digits. Okay, that means next comma is after 7 digits. Okay, that means first comma we are using after hundreds place. After hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds, next comma after 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay. Next comma after 10 lakhs. After 10 lakhs. Okay. Are you understand or not? We are using commas in Indian system. First comma we are using after 3 digits. After 3 digits. Next comma after 5 digits. Next comma after 7 digits. Next comma after 9 digits. That means first comma only we are using after 3 digits. That means after 100 place. Next comma 10,000 place. Next comma 10 lakhs after 10 lakhs. Okay. This is the Indian system. Indian system. Indian place value system. Okay. This system is used in India only. Remaining other countries are not following this system. So, the system is used in India only. Okay. Are you understand or not? Okay. What you have learned today? Once all of you, Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. So, in Indian place value chart, periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Okay. So, next one, commas. We are using in Indian system commas after first 3 digits from right side, then after every 2 digits. After every 2 digits. This is also important for higher class and now also. Okay. Thank you.